Hey, Robert, I just want to give you a quick shout out, man, and say thank you for everything that you've done with Groups Pro. This has been a lifesaver. This has been a time saver for me personally, and I think this is really a service to the online entrepreneur community who are growing their business in the one of the most effective ways, which is building a Facebook group and building a community. The challenge that I experience with that is having to approve people manually, having to record answers manually, having to keep a spreadsheet of all of this stuff, having to add those people to my autoresponder, and Groups Pro handles all of that. And I used it in a group that we had where we were literally getting hundreds of requests a day, sometimes hundreds of requests an hour to join. And the team wasn't doing a very good job with capturing the information and getting people through, and it was a lifesaver there. And I use it in my own groups where I have people coming in and I just want to have an automated flow of capturing their information, getting it in my email autoresponder, and then sending them out an email without having to have my hands in it all the time. So thanks again for what you're doing. Love Groups Pro. I love the updates that you continue to publish. I love the support that you continue to provide, and I love the community that you are building around the software and in turn the process, and just the value that it brings to the online entrepreneur community. Thanks, Robert. Keep up the good work, brother.